Welcome to another episode of Urban Stock Market. On this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to start from zero in 18 steps. Number one, a few dollars. And what I mean by that is $100 or plus. We're talking real basic fundamentals to start day trading. Number two, find trading apps that are commission-free. Number three, Google top 10 commission-free trading apps. Number four, read and download all for free to test them out for free. Number five, see which ones offer paper trading. Number six, paper trading is trading without actual money on the line, which is perfect to get you to understand the trading process. Number seven, press and practice with the buttons on the top apps that you like. Practicing with the buttons and seeing where each step takes you on the off days and when you have no money online is a nice, calm, no-frills way to start understanding how to use your brokerage app. So when you need to execute a fast trade or take less time on doing it, you'll be able to find everything flawlessly. Number eight, suggestions are fine from others, but the app you like must work for you and be something that you can understand fairly easily. So when you need to do a quicker trade, you know how to do it quickly. Number nine, start depositing your money. Most apps, when starting off with smaller amounts, take a little longer, so let the process happen in the background while you're doing all your practice. Number 10, start researching the companies you think you might want to invest in. Number 11, start creating a watch list of those companies that you still like after you've done some of the real research. Hopefully you use the Stockwave network and the reports to help you along the way to do that. Number 12, now if you have more than 5 companies on that list, time to slim them down. Your money amount is smaller, so you want less moving parts. Number 13, once money is in your brokerage account or trading app, decide what day you want to start. Number 14, figure out how many shares you want to buy of your first pick, the company that you feel that you want to start your portfolio with, the one that you have the most conviction on. Number 15, now buy the shares at the predetermined price you wanted to buy the shares at. Number 16, congratulations, you just started day trading. Now steps 17 and 18 are really just tips as you started your first trade. Number 17 is get over the jitters, wait and stick to your plan. You started, you already beat that first hump, and now you're on the market. Number 18 is never invest every day bill money, because now you can relax and let the market do the work for you without you overthinking about needing that money for a light bill, gas bill, etc. So if you like this list and the content that I continue to provide, hit the like button, leave comments below, and if you like the way I teach and help you learn the process, join Urban Stock Market by hitting the link in the bio, urbanstockmarket.teachable.com. And if you really want that easy access and support all along the way in your trading and investing journey, join the Stockwave network for only $7 a month. Until the next video, I'll see you guys on the boards.